So people asking one question. So I'm creating my website. What is mean by alt tag? How to resolve the alt tag issues? How to resolve the alt tag issues? Suppose this is my logo. My logo name is called Season Sim. My logo. Just click for Control U. First and resolved by the two type of website. One is static. Second will be dynamic. I'll rectify the two things: static website purpose and a dynamic website purpose. First of all, coming to logo here. In this logo, first of all, check here alt. So this is my logo. Is a perfect my logo? Just open my logo. Is my logo. So every logo I'm writing for a name is called Season Swimming Pool. Season Swimming Pool. Here my domain name is called Season Sim. I have to change name is called Season Swimming Pool to Season Swim. So in this call, first of all, open for cPanel. Every logo, the domain name is the specification is important. If anyone searching for Season Swimming Pool, they show you a logo. So that logo for identity purpose, we can give one name is called alt tag. The alt tag will be given like this for your JPG or PNG or GIF. Every alt will give option called one specific name. One specific name. So in this one, first of all, go to File Manager. In this File Manager, go to public_HTML. So this page is called home page. So what the name called? Season Swimming Pool is there. I have to change option call is go to index page. Every image specific identity is given by the alt tag. That is called alt attribute, alt tag, alternative text. Control F. Alt is equal to your name is there. Season Swimming Pool. Here I'm writing for Season Sim Kondapur Madhapur Tank 1. Now click for save changes. Just comment here. The line will be 280. This is 108. Or the name previous is Season Swimming Pool. Now click for refresh. Season Swim, Kondapur, Madhapur and Tank 1. Why am I adding for three places? This pool will be located by the three areas. The pool located by the how many areas? Total 3 areas. So my logo also will indicate by how many areas? Total 3 areas. So that is called my logo belongs to for 3 areas. Season sim is belongs to for Madhapur, Kondapur and Tangban. So that is called I am writing for name. Next one. So you're writing for sliders are there. This is your slider. So every slider we're writing for one particular name. So first name, Season Swimming Pool is there. Second one, Swimming Pool, Madhapur is there. Third one, Swimming Pools, Season Swimming Pool, Kondapur is there. Here I am simple changing for first name. In Kondapur replace I am changing for one more name. So go to search. What the previous name in Kondapur? Season Swimming Pool in Kondapur is there. And replace to temperature control indoor swimming pool in Kondapur. Is there a click for refresh. So previous. What is my name? Season swimming pool in Kondapur. Again refresh. Temperature control indoor swimming pool in Kondapur. The next one. Here swimming pool in Madhapur is there. Just copy this. We're writing here Madhapur. Save changes. Next one. Season indoor swimming pool Tank 1 series. So every static website go to particular image, changing for the location wise image are mandatory. So that is I'm changing for 1, 2, 3. Why? Because our sliders are only for 3. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. So we will increase the one more slide. So automatically changing for your slide image also. So adding for one more image here. So just so again one image will be displayed by 2 times. You can see here. 1, 2, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Why? Because the one image will be showing for 2 times. So simple, I'm uploading one more image where first we can target image area where it is. So select here. Image will be images. Slide 2. So simple one. Images. In this upload image. Go to project. So based on required, upload images. So here. So I'm selecting here. Upload. Next. Upload. This. You can see refresh. 1. So your image will be failure. That is called your image format or JPEG. You check by 3 image format. Which one? JPEG or PNG. So it's also not accepting. Just writing for PNG. Refresh. 1. So clear. This is called your image formats. So this is very important. So in this one, I'm changing for all tag, temporary control swimming pool, for kids in Pandapur. So how many images you adding on your static website? Each website for adding for image particular name is called alt tag. So this is called static website purpose. So static website adding for which one? Go to particular static website, add your image, and image are writing for alt tag. So how to writing for dynamic website? Dynamic website we can't use any cPanel. We're using for admin panel. Why? Because every content uploading using for admin panel. So that is called, look here, how to writing for admin panel. So this is admin panel. So this is my keyword. Okay. This keyword I'm posting for my website. Here I'm not using any cPanel. I'm writing for alt tag perfect on your website. First you go to admin panel, select your post, add new post. Anytime posting on your site, don't use the complete capital letters. Only first letter is a capital, remain all will be small letter. This will very important from your things. So add your title. Your title tag, don't use any kind of special characters and everything will be not using for things. Next, a title, copy, writing for locations. Next, same as this description and the keywords. You will writing for Hyderabad. We can go for IDCD. First, here this is your title. Copy, news, select your title. For the uploading for image, go to image format. When image upload time, so I'm selecting for particular images. So this is my image, but suppose this is my image. Select it. Change your image name. What is the title? Same image name you are using for uploading time. Change it. So after that, upload. After uploading that, add your content. Wait for a second. Go to content. Copy the URL. Paste your site. After that, increase your site content. Write on your then everything is perfect. So here, click for submit. After submit this content, now you can go for your site, post it, home page. This will be done. Select it. Okay, image was uploading. So how to check imaging alt tag? Just Control U, Control F. So after open page source, select it. One is called logo name. Second is your image name. For the image name, it will be using for temperature control, indoor swimming pool for kids in Kondapur. So this is my image. Is it perfect? Any dynamic website, when uploading for image time, the image name will be your title name. So automatically, the image will be converted by your alt tag will be your title name. What are the title using? The image name also same. Please note down any dynamic website, when I'm posting content, any dynamic website, when I'm posting content, what is our post title? What is our post title? Same one, your image name. Same one, that is called your image name. So that is usually affect on your search engine. So dynamic website we can't using for cPanel. We're using for admin panel. When upload image, the image name will be your title name. When upload, they automatically convert into your alt tag. People easily get call your website on the search engine purpose. So this is called alt tag purpose for your static and dynamic website.